Welcome my channel today. Let's explore Australia's decimal currency system was introduced in 1966, replacing the pounds, shillings, and pence with dollars and cents. Among the new coins introduced was the humble 5-cent piece, a small silvery coin that, despite its size, carries significant historical and cultural relevance. The 1970 Australian 5-cent coin, bearing the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, represents a vital piece of Australia's economic and numismatic history. This script delves into the story of this coin, from its conception and design to its geography of circulation and collector's value today. In 1966, Australia moved to decimal currency under the Decimal Currency Act. The 5-cent coin replaced the pre-decimal sixpence and kept the same physical dimensions and metal composition. By 1970, Australia was still adapting to this relatively new monetary system. The year 1970 also marked a culturally significant time in Australia. Post-war prosperity, a growing population, and increasing national identity all influenced currency design and usage. The coin minted in 1970 continued the tradition of featuring Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, reinforcing Australia's status as a constitutional monarchy and a member of the Commonwealth. The 5-cent coin was essential in everyday transactions and had substantial purchasing power compared to today. Designer: Arnold Machine portrait. Queen Elizabeth II facing right, wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. Inscription: Elizabeth II, Australia, 1970. Arnold Machine's effigy of the Queen was introduced in 1966 and remained in use until 1984. It is regarded as one of the most elegant portraits of Her Majesty on coinage. Designer: Stuart Devlin. Image: an echidna or spiny anteater centered in a curled position, its face pointing forward with claws outstretched. Inscription: the numeral 5 to indicate denomination. Stuart Devlin was an Australian goldsmith and silversmith. His choice of the echidna, an iconic and unique Australian mammal, helped express Australia's distinct wildlife and national character. Mint: Royal Australian Mint. Canberra country of circulation. Australia circulation mintage, 1970. Approximately 65.3 million coins. The 1970 5-cent coin was widely circulated throughout Australia. It was distributed through banks and used in all regions, from cities like Sydney and Melbourne to rural and remote communities in the outback. Although minted exclusively in Canberra, the coin entered national circulation swiftly and was a workhorse of the economy, used in everything from newspapers to bus fares. Australia has only one official mint for general circulation coinage, the Royal Australian Mint, established in 1965 in Canberra. Before its establishment, coins were minted in the UK or at branch mints in Melbourne and Perth. Composition: 75% copper, 25% nickel, cupro-nickel. Weight: 2.83 grams. Diameter: 1941 mm. Edge: milled, reeded. Shape: round. Color: silvery white due to the nickel content. The coin was resistant to corrosion and wear, suitable for daily handling, and easily distinguishable by size and color from other denominations. A coin in circulated condition has been used in day-to-day transactions and shows visible signs of wear, such as flattened edges, scratches, and faded features. The value of a circulated 1970 5-cent coin is typically face value, 5 cents, up to 0.30 AUD, depending on condition. B. Uncirculated condition coins in uncirculated condition have never been used in transactions. They retain full mint luster and sharp features. These are usually found in coin sets or kept by collectors since their release. Uncirculated value: typically $1 to $5 AUD, though exceptionally high-quality examples, graded MS65 and above, might fetch $10 AUD or more. Proof sets: in 1970, special proof coins were also struck for collectors, with much finer detailing and mirror-like finishes. These can be valued higher, up to $20–50 AUD, depending on quality and demand. C. Rarity and errors. The 1970 coin is not rare, but certain mint errors can enhance its value. Off-center strikes, double strikes, die cracks, clipped planchets. Such coins are sought after by error collectors and can fetch higher premiums, sometimes exceeding $50 AUD, depending on the error type and visibility. The 5-cent coin, while humble, played a pivotal role in Australia's decimal era. Though inflation has reduced its buying power significantly, it remains in circulation today, though there's increasing debate about its future. The 1970 edition specifically stands as a marker of the early decimal years and Queen Elizabeth II's reign, a time of transition and modernization in Australia. Collecting such coins connects numismatists with history, design, and economics, making even common coins like the 5 cents a window into the past. The 1970 Australian 5-cent coin is more than metal. It's a symbol of a nation adjusting to change while celebrating its identity. Whether clinking in a pocket half a century ago or resting in a collector's case today, it carries with it stories of commerce, design, and sovereignty. A small coin, perhaps, but a significant one in the tapestry of Australian currency history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe more coin collecting content.